Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks, it means a lot. Okay, today we're back at the Ram 3500, and I wanted to do a review on the BAKFLIP MX4 by BAK Industries. This is the tonneau cover or tonneau cover, depending on what region of the world you're watching in. This is an 8-foot bed, and this is their solid flip-up design. And we'll walk around, and I had a unique install. I had bed caps and these little tie downs, so it made the installation a bit interesting, but nonetheless it worked. And I'm gonna show you, it's pretty much seamless. Had a little bit of water rain yesterday, but I didn't see any water get in it. I've only had it on for about a day, so fit and finish is amazing. Looks great. Great product. I don't have the tie down straps put in yet, because like I said, I just installed it. Came with a nice foam strip for the front. Installation was pretty simple. It's just got 2 bed rails and this entire flip-up assembly. Other than that, it does not have any other real components. You just need a 9/16 socket to put it on, and then I think like a 1-inch drill or something if you want to drain for the drain holes, because it comes with 2 drain hoses that are up here that will drain down through your bed if you got to poke a hole. Most of them have plastic caps, so you can just cut a small hole in it. The reason I got this one was because one, it's a hardcover, it's secure. It's one-hand operation from either side, so one person, and you can open and close it, you know, one-handed. So like I said, it's not fully together yet as far as straps and everything, but I'll show you. You just grab right here and it flips right up, and we can do it one hand. Sorry, my truck's a little tall. This is just one-hand operation, so that's twice it folds down, and that's about half the bed. Let me get up there. Like I said, it's an 8-foot bed, so this is probably the most the longest bed you'll have this for. So your 6-foot bed and your 5-foot beds will have less panels, obviously. So we just continue on. Like I said, every section has a pull strap. You go ahead and fold it up, and there is the sorry, my truck auto started on me. Keys in the pocket. There are the straps that you would essentially tie down up there once I put the buckles in, and we'll leave them here for now. Like I said, it's a single pull system. It'll actuate both sides by pulling on it. And then we have one more stow position, which is all the way up. And you'd have little pads here, which I didn't install, so I'm just going to rest it lightly on my cab. So you're fully up, and you have access pretty much to the whole bed. Has these little prop rods for when you're driving. You basically put them in there and lower it on there. And you do both sides, and it looks like from other videos that they've actually improved these. I don't think these will fall out like the other ones, but some of the videos they're saying these rods fall out and the clips didn't look the same. It looks like maybe they updated them, because this particular unit, when I looked at the box, was built this year in 2021. So maybe there was updates, I don't know. I got it for the ease of use. You can disconnect it pretty easy and take it out of your truck if you have to, and leave the rails in, or you can have it folded up. And I only lose probably, I don't know, 6 inches of the bed, if that. Still more than enough to go ahead and carry supplies with. And there's drain tubes. I haven't poked them through right here. Some plastic covers. It's a factory spray liner, so I'll drill through there and then route these drain hoses in there, and any water that gets caught in these channels here will drain forward or come all the way out the back here and just go down. But yeah, it's a pretty simple install. Like I said, it's got nice rubber everywhere, and you would just put these rails on, slide them all the way forward to the front of the bed, close your tailgate, and then you have, depending on your size of your bed, I had 4 for each side. 6-foot beds may have 3. It's a 9/16 bolt, and they're just like clamp style with little serrated teeth in them, and they just lock all around the lip of your bed. And it came with several padded shims to get in here. This is another one of the features that it comes with that I liked. My bed was pretty square, so I didn't add any shims. But they do have the option to shim this in case it moves on you, but mine's pretty tight in there. And like I said, one-hand operation back, so we'll go ahead and close it, and I'll get all these up. And just make sure you secure that down. And then nothing has to be super tight on this either. I think 10 foot-pounds is what they recommend on everything. I just snugged it up with a little Milwaukee drill. And another reason I got this because I want to get the back box toolbox in here so everything's secure. Alright, we'll come off the truck now, and I will show you guys. Super easy to close. Now the tailgate is closed. It will close with the tailgate up or down, doesn't matter. So simple again, one-hand operation. Just grab it, bring it down, and then you can let it drop. Again, bring it down, let it drop. It's not gonna hurt it. It's on the bed rails all the way through. And then the last piece here, and she's closed, locked. You'll see a little gap back here on mine. My tailgate is damaged. It got jacked up. But other than that, the fit and finish is great on this thing. I'll do an update video on how it holds up in a few months. And also an update video on MPG. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.